Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette and we are entering 2021, so Happy New Year to all of you. Let's hope it's better than 2020 because it has been quite difficult for all of us. So we are starting one of our biggest projects in this house. We are renovating the kitchen. We are not only renovating the kitchen, we are blowing out this wall. Mr. B has already been doing investigation holes so that he knows exactly what he needs to do. So this wall is going to disappear and this wall is going to disappear. As you can see at the moment, the kitchen is a nice kitchen, but it's very small. We're going to bring the kitchen all the way to this side of the room, because at the moment this is a nothing room. So we have our big babe here already, waiting to go into place. We're going to have a walk-in larder in this corner, a pull-out larder is written in there. Mr. B have done all the measurements. So we have a pull-out unit coming into there, and then we're going to have the fridge freezer, and on the very end we're going to have a coffee bar. So there's a lot involved. At the moment we are just doing little bits that we can do. We have a telephone socket that we can't move at the moment, is in here, and that's where our new cooker is going to go. So we need to relocate that, but Queen Bee is still in residence, so we can't do that right now because we have a lifeline attached to this phone line, so we have to hold on that. This wall needs to come down, but once this wall comes down, I have my hob on this side, so we'll be with no cooking facilities, so we have to hold on to that at the moment for the next few days as well. So we went with DIY kitchens. We have looked everywhere, checked all the suppliers. We felt that they are the ones with the best money quality levels. We felt they are the good ones and the choice. They have great choice in units, so that's why we chose them. So for you to have an idea, corner larder, pull out unit, fridge freezer, and then we have the coffee bar. And here we're going to have the hob, and then it just follows to the end. We're going to have a big kitchen island bang in the middle here. Okay, so for you guys to have an idea, as you've seen in the video there, we have taken all this coving out, and the reason is it doesn't match the one in the original kitchen. So we made the decision not to have coving on this side, what is really the kitchen. We decided not to. As you can see there, we have that beautiful coving and we want to keep it, but on this side we decided that we're not going to have coving. So as you've seen there in the video, we've been removing. I still have a bit of wallpaper to do. The kitchen, if you want to follow me, the kitchen, it's a bit of a mess, so it's officially out of bounds now. Queen Bee has left the building temporarily so that we can do all the demo stuff because it's no longer safe. We are taking over a kitchen to make do while we don't have a kitchen. Mr. B have been very busy. As you can see there, we used to have a phone socket in there where our internet modem was initially. That can no longer happen because my hob is going to go on here, so that couldn't be there. The double socket is going to be vanished, annihilated, I think is the right word. We're going to have the hood up there, so we're going to have to run electrics up to put a single socket up there to connect the hood. So Mr. B had to remove the phone line from here all the way around the house, and is now positioned more or less to the middle of the house in the home office. That's where the modem is now is, because obviously this is going to be a kitchen. We cannot have the modem in here. So we have a socket, a double socket in the behind the fridge there. We need to run that up because it needs to be above the worktop as well. I want a fixture light above the the coffee bar, so Mr. B needs to run wires in there as well. I will be showing you that. This is only here temporarily because we are trying to sell the kitchen and the appliances that we are not using. And let me explain. As you know, and it has been from the beginning of this renovation, we are very conscious of throwing away things. We upcycle, recycle, repurpose anything and everything that we can. One, money that is in short supply, like everyone else. Second, we are very conscious of doing our bit for the planet. So, these sets, they are fantastic drawers, they are soft close, and they are metal, though very good quality. So what we have decided, the new kitchen we have ordered is coming in a couple of weeks. We only bought the fronts of the drawers. We are keeping the unit and the inside of the drawers. We are just changing the front. The same thing is happening to the dishwasher and the sink. As you can see there, we are keeping that unit. We are just changing the fronts. One is much cheaper. Second, we are not throwing away perfectly good things. We may give away to a very dear friend of ours that he owns a few properties and is always needing kitchens to repair his rented properties. If not, we are trying to sell. Worst case scenario, we will be giving it to charity so that someone else can have a kitchen for very little money, because not everyone is able to afford a new kitchen like us. So it's all about thinking about the planet, thinking about the people around us, and helping each other, helping the community That's the spirit we are going for. So that's enough for this week. Thank you very much for watching. I will try very hard to have another video for next week, and I will aim to have a video every Friday so that you guys can see the changes as they are happening in our kitchen renovation. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.